I'm Catherine Murphree. I'm one of the hematologist oncologists with Covenant Health. I'm originally from Jackson, Mississippi. So I originally, before going to medical school, I was in pharmacy school. I was always fascinated by medicines and their mechanisms and where they came from. And then as I got kind of further into my training, I realized that I liked looking at labs and I liked looking at imaging and making clinical decisions and also interacting with patients. So I completed 5 years of pharmacy and then switched over to get a master's, and then I went to medical school. And I think it was a tough decision at the time to, almost complete something and then switch to something else. But my pharmacy background has helped me immensely in this training, and especially in oncology where drug mechanisms are so important. So I think that in the end it benefited me. I think that meeting somebody at a cancer diagnosis and then going through all the treatment process with them, so formulating their goals, getting a treatment plan together, starting treatment, and whether they go into remission or then relapse, but basically being with them and their families from the beginning and sometimes until the very end. You form this bond that it's not like anything that I can describe. It's an unbreakable bond of highs and lows, and it's just really special for me and kind of one of the reasons that I wanted to go into oncology specifically. So I think you kind of know when you first meet them whether you're going to be a good fit or not. And it's important because this is going to be probably the most difficult time in someone's life, and you want somebody that you feel comfortable to walk you through that every step of the way. So outside of hematology, oncology, I would say I live a pretty active lifestyle. I like to hike. I like to boulder. I'll usually be at on-site rock gym out on Western Avenue. I also play for the Knoxville Minks. We're a women's rugby team. I can play winger and or flanker. I've been a rugby player for 4 or 5 years now. And then other than that, I'm a huge Ole Miss fan. So I'm watching Ole Miss sports, which makes it a little difficult to live here sometimes, I would say. But yeah, those are some of the things I like to do.